Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Gamora from Guardians of the Galaxy. The new movie just came out and I was so excited that I had to do at least one of the characters. So if you guys want to see any more of the characters, let me know in the comments down below. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video and show you how to do this look. Let's go! First we are gluing down our eyebrows. You can go check out my last video for a more in-depth tutorial. You know what is so funny, y'all? In my last video I did my mom's makeup and I was talking about her brows and how long they were. I am my mother's daughter and mine are so much worse. And I have to do horizontal lines on my brows now, and I'm regretting letting them grow out now. How many times did I just say now? Anyway, so I'm going to grab the back of one of my brushes, and I'm going to use it like a spatula and just smooth these down as much as I can. I'm going to put one more layer of glue before that. You really want to make sure that product is fully dispersed in every piece of hair. Oh my god. Now we're starting off with the eyeshadow. I'm just applying a light green eyeshadow all over the crease and blending that all the way up. Using a darker green, I'm applying this all on my lid and underneath my eyes closest to my lash line. Then taking a green shimmer shade, I'm applying that right on top of that lid color. With my eyeliner, I'm creating a thin line on my upper lash line and then tight lining to finish it off. Now taking the dark green from the Athena paint palette, I'm just putting that base color down. Using a white paint, I'm going to go ahead and add in some highlights on the face just to create some dimension. Now you can't have highlight without contour, so we're using a darker green shade to hollow out the sunken in parts of our face. Taking a small graphic liner brush, I am taking a black paint and starting to create these lines, making them as symmetrical as I can. I like to make each line on both sides before moving on, that way I can kind of map out where each line is going to be and they become more symmetrical. To further map out these lines, I'm holding up my brush to my face to make sure lines are straight and the placement is correct on both sides. So now I'm using the silver paint to go right above the lines I made earlier. It creates the illusion that the lines are raised from the skin. Alright, time for the lips. I took the green paint I used on my face and added a touch of black to create a custom lip color. And for the red in my hair, I used colored hairspray from the Halloween section at Walmart. Alright everybody, and this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. About 80%, 90% of you aren't subscribed that watch my videos, and it really does help me a lot. It's just one little button. Go click it, girl. It's right there. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!